Tiktapan Channel, mega love shout out. Daniel Berry Sports, mega love shout out. Ayan, please connect guys to Tik Japan Channel, our friends here. Sisi Koy 20, mega love shout out. Thank you so much, sis. Daniel Berry Sports, thank you so much. Sis 20, thank you sis sa paharang. Ayan. And mega love shout. Na late yung ano ko guys, yung live stream ko today. Dapat 11 start na ako. Ang nangyari nag-burn out dito. Ayan, kababalik lang guys ng kuryente. Ayan. Ano lang ito guys, 1 hour. Ayan yung ating live stream for today. At mamaya guys, mayroon na magla-live stream pala yung aking isang member. Si Koy Criselda Whitey guys. Koy 20, thank you so much. Si Stick Japan channel, you can connect to 28. And sis 28, you can connect also to Tik Japan channel or to the Daniel Berry Sports. Thank you so much. Thank you for the like guys. Ayan. Nag-live kahit masama. Masama kaya yung pakiramdam ko. Masakit yung dito ko, sisi ko yun. Masakit yung ano ko. May migraine ako pero ayan, dinadala lang natin. Wait lang guys. Kunin ko lang yung ano ko. Yung parang menthol. Ayan guys yung ano. Konti na lang yung laman ng ano ko. Wait lang guys Nag-live kahit masama yung pakiramdam. Ito guys, inaamoy ko Parang siyang, ano ba tawag dun? Nawala na kasi yung level niya kaya ayan.